How to remove limitations from PayPal account, full guide. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. In this video, I'm going to be showing you really quickly on how you can remove limitations from your PayPal account in the easiest way possible. So to start things off, what we are going to be doing is you're going to go ahead into the top right section of your PayPal dashboard. You're going to come over to account settings, right? So once you go into the account settings, it's going to open up the whole thing. And over here on the left hand side, you're going to come to account access. So once you come to account access, what's going to happen from there is that you're going to get, redirected to the business page where you're going to see your limits. Okay. And if it asks you a few tip questions, just go ahead and fill them in. So once you fulfill the questionnaire, all you're going to need to do is you're going to go into your PayPal account limits as I showed you. So the account limits are just going to be appearing over here. Okay, go into your account settings, and here are your account limits where you can see the limits on your account. And normally the limits on PayPal account are going to look somewhat like this. Obviously my limits have been turned off, but your limits are going to be turned on, and they're going to look somewhat like this. This is what it's going to look like. So you're going to go into the limits, you're going to view it up, and once you view it up, it's going to give you all these list of limits that you can just automatically turn off if you want to. So pretty simple and pretty easy to do this step by yourself. So yeah, that is how you're going to remove limitations from your PayPal account. That's about it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.